In this video, you will learn how to find permalinks for library resources and how to share those links in OAKS to make your courses more accessible and more copyright friendly. A permalink is a web link that will always go to the same web page. Permalinks are also called stable links or URLs, persistent links, or share links. Sometimes they are represented by a chain link icon in web page menus. In library resources, sometimes the link that displays in the address bar is the permalink, but sometimes it is a temporary session-based link that will not work later on. For this reason, it is important to see if the database provides a permalink and use that one if provided. So why should you share permalinks instead of uploading scanned PDF copies of assigned readings? PDFs, especially scans, are often inaccessible to users using screen readers. Linking to items through the library has several advantages. Many databases offer items in multiple formats, including HTML, PDF if that's what the students prefer, and even read aloud options. Sometimes we have resources through multiple library database collections, so students can choose the platform and the format that works best for them. Linking instead of copying also means you don't run the risk of violating copyright, even if you're sharing an entire book with your students. Online formats can often be more interactive due to features such as hyperlinked tables of contents and references, and also have the ability to search within for specific words and phrases. And finally, clicks from library links provide the library with usage stats that help inform collection management decisions. Let's look at how to find and share these links. First, we will find permalinks in the library's Discovery service. The Discovery service is the main search on the library website. Discovery is a one-stop shop for searching physical library materials, ebooks, journal articles, and much more. It provides results from many library databases, including nearly all ebook and journal collections. You can enter keywords or search for specific items by title, such as the article, journal, book, or chapter title, or even paste in a full citation. I'm going to search in Discovery for a book called Improving Inclusive Education Through Universal Design for Learning. I've searched for the title, and this book is my first result. Clicking on the title will open the item record. The item record contains more information about a source and shows you how you can access the source through the library's database collections. The item record contains two especially important sections for what I'm doing today: Tools and View Online. The Tools section is where I can find the source's permalink. I can click on permalink and then copy the provided link to the clipboard to paste and share elsewhere. Once you know how to find this Discovery Service permalink, you can successfully share almost any library resource with your students. The permalink comes right back to this item record. The second important section in the item record is View Online. For digital items, this section shows all the database collections that have this item and provides links to the full text in those databases. We may have access to the source in more than one database. Database platforms have different layouts and features, so this lets students choose the platform they prefer to access the content. Once you have a permalink copied, you can share it in OAKS just as you would any other link. I'm going to place this link in a content module I've already created in my OAKS course. I have navigated to the module, and now I will click on New and select Create a Link. I'm pasting the permalink I just copied in the URL field, and in the title field, I will put the book title and a quick instruction for students. In this case, I want them to read Chapter 9. Leaving the link as an external resource is generally recommended so that OAKS features do not interfere with database features and the reading material can take up more space on your students' screens. So now I'll click on Create. I've created the link And I'm also going to add a description and provide some explanation for how to get to the full text from the permalink. Some platforms are easier for most students, so I'm making a recommendation based on my own preferences, but I'm still providing access to all the platforms through the link in case students have different preferences or needs. You can make a recommendation if you like, or leave it up to students to choose. So I'll click on Add a Description, and my description reads, "This link takes you to a library ebook record. You can use any of the links under View Online to access the book. I think Springer Link ebooks is the easiest to use. Read Chapter 9, Implementing UDL, Development of Purposeful and Motivated Students." I'll click on Update, and my description shows with the link. Now you know how to find and share library permalinks with your students. If you have any questions or need help finding sources, our librarians and staff are happy to work with you. You can find all the ways to contact us at libanswers.charleston.edu.